Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you total five websites where we can create free to follow a directory submission backlink. So the first website name is bigdirectory.com. So first you guys will have to click on the add site button, and then there you can put your title. So suppose I'm doing directory submission for this page, you can put your title, then at the end ML training. Then after you can submit, put your website URL. Then there you can add your description, and then your brand name and your email address. Then you can choose your category. Then you can verify your captcha. Click on continue, and you see your backlink is submitted. Now after you can click on the latest site, and you see this is your backlink profile creation sites list. Click on details, and you can see this is your backlink. See, so the next website name is click is score directory.com. So there you can click on the add site button, and you can follow the same process. There you can put your website title, your website URL description, and then your brand name, your email address. Then you will choose your category, verify the captcha, click on continue.
This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
You see our link is submitted. Now after you can click on the latest sites button, and you see this is our backlink. Click on link details, and you can see this is your landing page URL. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral, and with your targeted keyword. Okay, so the next website name is askadirectory.com. So you can click on the add sites button, and first you can select regular reviews. So you can put your title, this URL title. Then there you can put your description, your brand name, your email address. Then you guys will choose your category. Then after you can verify the captcha, click on continue, and you see your link is successfully submitted. Now after you can click on the latest site button, and you can see this is our backlink profile creation sites list. Click on link details, and this is your directory landing page URL. So the next website name is Craigslist, directory.net. So there you can click on the add site button. There you can put your page title, URL. You can put your description, your brand name, your email address. Then you guys will choose your category. Then after you can verify the captcha, click on continue. And you see our backlink is created. Now you can click on the latest site button. And this is our backlink. Click on link details. So this is your directory landing page URL. So the last website name is bigdirectory.com. So click on add sites. If you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so please, it's a humble request, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate us to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.